Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use Kahoot. Kahoot is a free-to-use website that teachers can use to make quizzes, surveys, and a couple of other things that their students can access through an app. And it's a form of informal observation to let teachers know how students are doing. So as the teacher, I would go to getkahoot.com and it would come to this web page. I already have an account. You can sign up for free. So I'm going to log into my account really quick. Brings you to your home Kahoot screen. I already have about 15 Kahoots made from this previous school year. As you can see, you can make a quiz, a discussion, a survey. So I'm going to make a short little quiz, show you how this goes. Call this quiz knowledge. Why not? You can make a short description, add an image that's a cover image that will show up as the kids are waiting to sign up for the quiz. Visible, you can change your visibility, the language the quiz is in. Most of mine are generally in Spanish, but we'll keep this one in English. Audience for a teacher would be just a local school. Intro video, again, you can add just a short little video, and it's just something for kids to watch while they're signing in. So I'll keep that basic for now. Okay, go. Whoop. It's going to make you make a description, so why not? Hashtag basic knowledge. Okay, go. Likes me that time. And I'm not going to bother with the cover image this time. So, add a question. We'll say, what is 2 plus 2? Time limit on the question. You can change how quickly you think students will need to answer the question. I'm going to up the time limit a little bit so I can talk about the question when it comes up. Award points. Yes, we'll keep points awarded for this. Answer 1, 5, popular answer. Keep this. Answer 2, we'll say 4, 22, and why not Q. Put a letter in there, make it a little confusing. And then check which one is correct. So this is a correct answer, and it is possible to have multiple answers if you had a different subject and multiple answers to a question. And then next. Whoop, it's okay. We have that one question. I'll just put one more on there. And I'm a Spanish teacher, but math is the only thing popping into my head right now. So, what is 7 times 3? And again, I'll bump that up 60 seconds. I'll be answering them quickly. 7 times 3, 21, 15, 10, 7/3. So 21. And next. Alright. So let's go ahead and save that at 2 questions. Save. So this is saved and published. So we can either play it directly. I'm going to say preview because that'll show an example of what it looks like from the teacher side and what it looks like from the student side. So this is what you get. On the right, you see a picture of a cell phone. That is what the kids will see. They go to kahoot.it on their smartphones, and it brings them to this page. You have classic Kahoot, which is where everyone is just playing for themselves, and team mode, which is if you maybe have a class where everyone does not have their own smartphone, you can play team versus team, and that would let them share devices. Your game options, you can choose to randomize the order of questions. So if you made 10 questions, it might do 1 through 10. It might do 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 10. Randomized order of answers. That changes the grid of 4 answers. Say you're going to do the same quiz for multiple classes in a day. Don't want them to be giving the answers, so you can change the answers. I usually display the game pin throughout just in case kids can't get logged in at the beginning. So that's game options. So let's keep it classic. It loads. Alright, so this is the login screen. The game pin is what students here would put 610-285. They're given the chance to create a unique nickname, which I always have to, tell them keep it school appropriate, nothing. They try to make it clever. I usually I'll stick with Mr. K. That would be my name. And go. And then all their names pop up here on the screen. If some kid tries to get a little too clever, as it says naughty nicknames beware, I can just click that and it would kick them out and they have to come back in and use a different name. So once you've got all your students in, click start. And it gives the question a little time to think about their possible answer. And this screen pops up. Now for each question, where that little Kahoot purple is right here, you could put an image or a video. That's optional. And then these are your answers, what the kids see on the screen. This is what they see on their phone. So they choose their answer. I'll go with the correct answer this time. And then it waits either for the timer to run out or for everybody to answer. If everybody answers, it advances to this screen, shows you who got the right answer, who got the wrong answers. And that is your assessment part as a teacher, so you know how many kids are getting the concept you want to teach. Comes to this screen. If there were more than 5 people, it would show the top 5. And over here on the phone, it shows them what place they're in and how far behind or ahead they are of people. Say next. 7 times 3. Oh no! Come to this screen, we'll pick the wrong answer this time. We'll say we think it's 10 because we saw a plus sign instead of a multiplication sign. And ooh, incorrect. And then it shows the correct answer, shows what you did. Still got the points, and after however many questions you programmed into the quiz, it finishes. This is not really important for your results. It lets the kids say how well they liked it, if they, all this kind of thing. So it was a boring quiz, that kind of stuff. And final results. Shows your winner, and everything goes from there. So that's Kahoot. And from your home screen, once you have them saved, you can come up here to My Kahoots. My Kahoots. Oh, right there down here. And it shows all the Kahoots you've made. You can edit, play, come over here. Edit, duplicate. You can duplicate a quiz, double it, delete it, edit it. All of my quizzes are public. You can make them private, so you're only able to access them. For public Kahoots, you can search anything. This is what other teachers make. Random people make them. It's a Star Wars Kahoot. Have a little fun. So Star Wars Kahoots, and you come in here. It tells you how many questions, and that is Kahoot. And then you would come up, get profile, and then log out. Ready to go on to your next thing.